Hey, what's up guys, Mike here, and recently the Google Pixel came out with a nifty new feature where you can use swipe gestures on the fingerprint scanner to enable the notification shade. And while this is a relatively new implementation of accessing a certain feature, there have actually been a number of other phones with fingerprint functionality for quite a while now. And one of those that comes to mind is actually the Honor 8, where you can set a specific quick action toggle or a specific shortcut with the fingerprint scanner options. Well, thanks to a member from XDA, you can now use an app that gives you the ability to tap on your fingerprint scanner to enable specific features. And this is an app currently known as the Fingerprint Quick Action. Now, in order to get this app running, simply download the latest APK file from the correct XDA source, which I will leave a link in the video description down below. Once you open the APK file, simply grant it permissions and install it onto your device. Once it finalizes the installation, open up the application and tap on Enable Fingerprint Quick Action. And from here, you will proceed to your accessibility options where you will be able to toggle on the Fingerprint Quick Actions and approve the functionality overall. Once that is all completed, you can open the app back up. Now, I do recommend to be rooted if you intend to use the Sleep Quick Action. If you try to use the Sleep Quick Action without root, your results are going to be very inconsistent because you will need to enable the workaround fingerprint unlock method and the foreground service in order to have everything function properly. Now, once you have everything set up, you will in fact have 4 different quick actions to choose from, which are tap to sleep, going back to the home screen, or toggling 2 different notification shade options. So for example, with the sleep action enabled with root, you can easily tap on the fingerprint scanner to turn off your device's display. Tapping on the scanner again will wake the device properly with your fingerprint action, which will then trigger the app to allow the proper sleep action once again. And this process will continue to work properly so long as you are rooted with the workaround method enabled. Enabling the Home Quick Action will continuously take you back to your device's home screen each and every time you tap on the fingerprint scanner. So if you use this action, I don't believe it will have any issues without the root access. Now, I personally don't use Expend notifications. I only use the Toggle Notifications panel quick action. And the reason for this is because it will not only open the notification shade, but it will also close the notifications as well. For example, if I tap on the sensor, it will open up the notification shade, and by tapping on the sensor once again, it will then properly close the notifications. So this is a pretty cool application with some pretty nice functionality, especially if you have a larger device. It makes things a little bit more simple for one-handed use. For example, tapping on the fingerprint scanner to open up your notification shade is a lot easier than reaching up for the top of your display with your thumb. I just wish it had some more versatility with quick launching applications or some kind of option to launch shortcuts in that manner, but maybe that will be coming later on in a future update. Anyway, that pretty much wraps up this video. Check out the description below for details, hit that like button, and if you haven't already, hit that subscription button as well. And like always, I will catch you guys in the next one.